if you are coming to Magic World in Sharm or Sheikh in the near future, you might be prepared for a rather lot of construction, because large areas of the hotel are completely unoccupied and taped off. They're going around painting the red floor grey. Entire blocks are being painted and refurbed. Gardens are taped off. Entrances are blocked. You will follow signs and find your path is blocked, or you'll be turned around by security. The cat show is abandoned, but there is just tape everywhere saying you can't go down here, you can't go down there, or you'll find a random path and it'll be covered in sand. Like here, another block. All these blocks are empty. So the relax pool here. We get turned around in a moment. Yeah, more fencing. I don't even know where that music's coming from right now. That area is blocked. This area is blocked. I think that music's actually coming from the next hotel. This is the wellness centre. It is meant to be shut, but you can see here. Again, you can't get into this block. The path is blocked. Oh, maybe we can go down here. No, this path. Can't go down into there. This is the amphitheatre. So they are building a new water park there. This path is blocked with sand. All closed. New splash pad perhaps. Yeah, lots of construction going on if you're due to arrive here in the next few weeks, but it will be great when it's finished. But for now, it's a building site.